With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question in linear equations and two variables. So here in this question we need to draw the graph for each of the following given equations. So here we are given the first equation as the x by 3 plus y by 5 is equals to 1. So let us first consider this first given equation. So here in this first equation they have given us that the x by 3 plus y by 5 is equals to 1. Now in this equation we are going to put the x is equals to 3. So if we put x is equals to 3, put x is equals to 3. Then we get the 3 by 3, that is 1, plus y by 5 is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from this we get the value of y by 5 is equal to 0, that is the y is equals to 0. So when x is equals to 3, the y is equals to 0. Similarly, now we are going to put the y is equals to 5. So putting y is equals to 5, here we get the x by 3 plus y, and instead of y we put 5. So here we get the 5 by 5, that is 1, is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from this we get the value of x by 3 is equals to 0, that is the x is equals to 0. So from this we get the point the 0, 5 lying on this line. Now since we have got the 2 points, so now we are going to plot the graph here. So let us say that here we have the graph like this. This is the x-axis, and here we have the y-axis like this. So let us name them. So here we have the origin O, this is x and this is y. Now here we have the 2 points. The first point is 3, 0. So let us mark them. So here we have the 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0 like this. So here this is 1, 2, 3. And on the y-axis we have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the question they have given us one point as a 3, 0. So here this point is 3, 0. Similarly they have also given us a 0, 5 as an another point. So here we have the 0, 5 as an another point. So from this we can find the equation of the line as, here the graph will look something like this. So this is the equation of the line, and this is also on the other side. So this is the equation of the line which is given to us in the first part of the question, that is the x by 3 plus here we have the y by 5 is equals to 1. So this is the solution for the first part of the question. Now we are going to focus on the second part of the question, and in the second part of the question they have given us the equation as the 2x plus 6 whole divided by 5, and that is equals to, here we have the y minus 1 like this. So now we are going to consider this equation. So here in the second part we have the equation as, here we have the 2x plus 6 whole divided by 5, and that is equals to the y minus 1. Now we are going to solve this ahead. Now for solving this we are going to multiply with 5 in this equality. Then we get the 2x plus 6 is equals to, here we have the 5y minus 5 like this. So from this we get the 2x minus 5y. We have considered these two terms, and here we have the 6 and here we have the minus 5. So if we shift this plus 6 to the right hand side, then we get the minus 5 minus 6, that is equals to minus 11 like this. So here we have got this equality. Now we are going to multiply with minus 1 in this equation. So we get, here we have the minus 2x plus 5y, and that would be equals to, here we have the plus 11 like this. Now we are going to rewrite this thing, but before that we are going to divide by 11 in this equation. So if we do that, then here we get the minus 2x by 11, here we have the plus 5y by 11, and that would be equals to 1. So it can be rewritten like the x whole divided by, here we have the minus 11 by 2, plus here we have the y whole divided by, here we have the 11 by 5, and that is equals to 1 like this. So here we have got this equation. Now we are going to put the x is equals to minus 11 by 2 in this equation. So put x is equals to minus 11 by 2. If we do that, then here we get the minus 11 by 2 upon the minus 11 by 2, that is 1. So here we get the 1 plus, here we have the y whole divided by the 11 by 5, and that is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from there we get the value of the y is equals to the 0 into 11 by 5, that is 0. So here we have got the coordinates as the minus 11 by 2 comma 0 like this. Now similarly we are going to put the y as equals to the 11 by 5. So here we put y is equals to the 11 by 5, and on doing that we get, here we have the x whole divided by the minus 11 by 2 like this, and here we have the 11 by 5 whole divided by the 11 by 5. So that would be 11 by 5 and 11 by 5 gets cancelled out, and here we get the 1, and that is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from this we get the value of x as the 0 multiplied by the minus 11 by 2, that is also equals to 0. So from this, here we have got the value of the coordinate as a 0, 11 by 5 like this. So here we have got the two coordinates. Now let us try to plot this graph. So here let us say that this is the x-axis here, and here we have the y-axis like this. So here we have the y-axis. So let us name them. So this is plus x, this is plus y, and this is origin, that is 0, 0. Now let us name the axis here. So here we have the minus 1, this is minus 2, here we have the minus 3, here we have the minus 4, here we have the minus 5, here we have the minus 6 like this, and this continues up to infinity. And now let us also write the numbers on the y-axis. So it would be, here we have the 1, here we have the 1 like this. So here we have the 1 like this, here we have 2, here we have 3 like this. Now we are going to plot the point minus 11 by 2, 0. So we know that the minus 11 by 2 is equivalent to 11 by 2 is 5.5. So the minus 11 by 2 would be the minus 5.5. So here we have the minus 5.5, 0. So that would lie somewhere here. This is minus 5.5, 0. Now the second point which we have is the 0, 11 by 5, and the 11 by 5 would be equivalent to, this point is equivalent to, here we have the 0, 2.2. So here we have the 2.2 like this. So we are finding for the point 0, 2.2, and that point would lie somewhere here. So this is the point 0, 2.2. So here we have got the 2 points, and now we are going to join both of these points. So if we join them, then here we get the line as like this. So the line would look something like this. So this is the line. This is one part of the line, and the other part of the line would be lying somewhere here like this. So this is the line. So let us also name it. So this is the line for 2x plus 6 by 5 is equals to y minus 1. This is the graph of this line. Now we are going to consider the third part of the question. So in the third part of the question, they have given us the equation as the 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. So let us write this down here. So in the third part, they have given us the equation as, this is the third part, the 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Now for solving this, we are going to divide by 12 in this equality. So we get, here we get the x by 4 plus here we get the y by 3 is equals to 12 by 12, that is 1. Now in this equality, we are going to put the x as equals to 4. So here we are going to put the x as equals to 4. So if we do that, then here we get the 4 by 4, that is 1, plus y by 3 is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from here we get the value of the y by 3 is equal to 0, that is the y is equals to 0 into 3, that is 0. So from here we have got one coordinate as the 4, 0 like this. Now similarly here we are going to put the y is equals to 3. So we are going to put the y is equals to 3. So from this we get the x by 4 plus 3 by 3, that is 1 is equals to 1. So here 1 and 1 goes off, and from here we get the value of the x by 4 is equals to 0. That is the x is equals to 0 into 4, that is 0. So here we have got the x coordinate as 0 and the y coordinate as 3. So these are the two coordinates which we have got. Now we are going to plot the graph here. So let us say that this is the x-axis, and here let us say that this is the y-axis like this. So these are the two axes which we have got. So let us name them. This is the origin 0, 0, this is x, and this is y. Now let us plot the points on these axes. So here we have the 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, here we have 4, and here we have 5. And on y-axis here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, and here we have 4, somewhere here. So this is 4. Now here we can see that one point is 4, 0. So 4, 0 lies somewhere here, and the point 0, 3 lies somewhere here. So here the equation of the line would be look something like this. So this is the equation of the line, and we also have the equation on this side as well. So let us name it. This is the equation of the line. Here we have the 3x plus 4y is equals to 12. Now we are going to consider the fourth and the final part of the question. So in the fourth and the final part, they have given us the equation as the 3x minus y is equals to 2. So let us consider it below. So below we have the 3x minus y is equals to 2. So here we have in the fourth part the 3x minus y is equals to 2. So for doing this question, we are going to divide by 2 in this equality. So if we do that, then here we get the 3 by 2 times of x minus 1 by 2 times of y is equals to 1. Now this can be rewritten like this. Here we have the x whole divided by the 2 by 3 in the denominator. Here we have plus y whole divided by, here we have the 2 with the minus sign like this, and this would be equals to 1. Now for solving this, we are going to put the x as equals to 2 by 3. So here we put the x is equals to 2 by 3. So from this we get the 2 by 3 by 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 goes off, and here we are left with 1, plus here we have the y by minus 2. So here we have the y whole divided by minus 2, and that is equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from here we get the value of y by minus 2 is equal to 0, that is the y is equals to minus 2 into 0, that is 0. So from here we get the coordinate as the 2 by 3 comma 0 as one coordinate. Now similarly we are going to put the value of y is equals to minus 2. So here we put y is equals to minus 2. So from here we get, if we do so, then the x whole divided by 2 by 3 plus here we have the y divided by minus 2, and here we have put the y as minus 2. So it would be the minus 2 divided by minus 2, and that is equivalent to 1 because minus 2 goes off, and here we are left with 1, and that would be also equals to 1. So this one and this one goes off, and from here we can find the value of x as a 2 by 3 times of 0, that is 0. So we have got the second coordinate as a 0 comma minus 2 like this. Now we are going to plot the graph. So here if we plot the graph, then we need to draw the x and the y axis. So let us say that here we have the graph like this. Here we have the x axis, and here we have the y axis like this. So this is the y axis which we have got. Now let us name them. So here we have the origin, that is 0, 0. This is the x and this is y. Now they have given us the points. So let us plot the points here. So here we have the 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, here we have 4, and here on the y-axis we have the minus 1, here we have the minus 2, here we have the minus 3 like this. Now let us plot the points here. So here we have got the first point as a 2 by 3, 0. So if we solve this, then it would be equivalent to 2 by 3 can be rewritten like the 0.66. So here we have the 0.66, 0. So this is the first point. So here we have the 0.66, 0 somewhere lying here. So this is a 0.66, 0. This is the first point, and the second point would be the 0, minus 2. So here we have the 0, minus 2 lying here. Now we are going to plot the graph. So the graph would look something like this. So this is the one part of the graph, and the other part of the line lies somewhere here like this. So this is the other part of the line, and this is the graph of the line. Here we have the 3x minus y is equals to 2. So here we have also plotted the graph for the fourth and the final part of the question, and this is our solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.